What a life, it's a lifestyle. Maybe you should come and bear with me. Ooh. Press play, you should bear with me.
Bear with me.
Hello, beautiful babes. I am back with a weird video today. Let's just get into it, okay? Like, I don't even know what to say or like how to introduce this like weird product, but we are trying Ardells Aqua Lashes. So it says on the box, Aqua Lashes, no adhesive needed, dip and apply. So essentially you dip these babies into water and then that activates the band to attach to your lash. So we are going to try that today. I have my little cup of water. It's my favorite mug. I'm gonna part my bangs to the side a little bit to get them like out of the way, but also try not to look too stupid. So I hope you're fine with this appearance. Oh my God, I'm so weird today. Okay, so I'm going to take off these half lashes that I have on currently. This is from Amy's Lashes. I have mentioned her stuff before. This is in the style Oak, and all I did was cut the inside of the lash and use that just on the outer corner, and it's really pretty, but I'm gonna take her off now. Woo! And then we're gonna get into it. Okay, your girl has the directions right here. It fell out of the box and I'm actually reading them. Does anyone like not read the directions for stuff and just try to like figure it out? And sometimes you succeed, but then other times you fail. I'm gonna make sure that I am not the one that messes this up. So it says it's an easy 3-step application. First, you're gonna check the fit like you normally do for any lash. You're gonna trim the excess if it's too large for your natural lashes. And then it wants you to dip the lash band in warm water for like 10 to 15 seconds. And I just realized the water I have is not warm, so I'm gonna heat that up before we start. Then it says, like make sure it's fully saturated, apply it onto your lash line just like normal. And then it says for removal, saturate a cotton swab with water and then remove it with water. So I'm not sure if these lashes are really meant to be worn multiple times with water, because to activate the adhesive and then to deactivate the adhesive, it's the same way with water. Let's just try it. Okay, we are back with our water heated up. I put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds and now it is warm, but it's not going to be too hot. So I'm just gonna measure these. And I have to say the lash band is like really weird, but that's fine. We're gonna try it out. I also had a couple of people request that they see the lipstick shade that we didn't use in the last video. So if you haven't seen that one, I suggest watching that so you know what I'm talking about. But this is the other lipstick that I didn't wear. So this is MELLOW Cosmetics in the shade New York City. I had so many people message me on Facebook or Instagram like, I want to see the other shade, like, but now I want to see this dark shade. So here it is. Okay, I am immersing the lash band in this warm water. This is so weird. I'm like not ready at all for this. And now I'm going to stick it on. Okay, wow, that's weird. That's weird. Oh, this is so weird. My eye feels like wet, but I also can like feel it starting to get sticky and like actually settling in. This feels so weird, but I'm gonna do the other eye. So yeah, they work. That's just so weird to me. But I do think it's actually pretty impressive. Like, I'm shocked that this works and it feels pretty good. I am just like a little bit at odds with it because I'm trying to wrap my head around it, and I am so used to gluing down my lashes that I'm almost scared that it's not very secure. And yeah, but huh. I have always been an eyelash glue girl, and I feel like with any skill, it takes practice. There's a bunch of different alternatives for those of us that struggle with putting on eyelashes. However, I feel like sometimes the alternatives are almost harder than just learning how to properly glue on your eyelashes. And I feel like they're suitable for different needs. So, you know, if you're in a performance or you're gonna be outside or somewhere where you need a lot of durability, like you wanna count on your lashes staying on, I'm definitely a glue person. But I really do like magnetic eyelashes that have the liner and then you put them on. That's really nice. But then some people are bad at eyeliner too. So then what are we to do? I feel like the Aqua Lash is a really great alternative for babes that just struggle with all of it. So if that sounds like you, definitely give these a shot. I actually thought going into this that I would not recommend this, but I'm impressed. I recommend it. I am going to remove them now and see how that process works. Honestly, you can pull them off just like regular lashes. I know it says to use water, but I didn't struggle with that at all. I'm just gonna test out if I can reapply them, or if I were to try to reuse them, if I would need to repurchase new lashes every time. So I'm going to dip them again and just see if they'll work a second time. It was maybe more of a struggle, but it definitely still works. That's good to know. I'm not quite sure how many uses you can get out of these lashes, but wow, that's actually really neat and innovative, and I am kind of into it. If you like this video, go ahead and press the like button for me and leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought of the Aqua Lash and if that's something that you would want to try. If you have any other suggestions of things that you would like me to review, go ahead and leave a comment about that as well. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, it would be super awesome if you did. I am trying to grow my channel and I post beauty related content very often. And look at this vaccine shot, baby. That's the best accessory I can have right now. I hope you are all staying safe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.
What a life, it's a lifestyle. Maybe you should come in bed with me. Ooh.